everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at just a beautiful little 1964 Ford Falcon Sprint. Great car, guys. It's out of North Carolina. It's about a 10-year-old restoration. It's got 8,500 miles on it since the car was done. Pretty car. Factory Rangoon red with the black vinyl interior in it. It's an original 260 V8 car that they've cammed up. It's got a top loader, 4-speed manual trans, disc brakes, bucket seats console. Just a cool car, man. Good, solid, straight North Carolina body. You can see they've got the American Racing 200 CSs on it. Neat little car. I've always loved these cars. I've loved this body style. I think they're great cars. I think they got a great look to them. That 4-speed is going to be fun to drive. This is just a good car, guys. Again, gentleman's owned this car for about 10 years. Very nice. You can kind of nitpick some stuff in the paint. Again, it is an older restoration. You can see some, little patina in the chrome, but very nice. Some wax there, guys. Stainless on the cars, nice around the windows. And you can nitpick the paint a little bit. You can see some little blemishes in it. But again, very, very nice. Good car. Just a good car. Turn the key and go have some fun. Apologize if you can hear it in my voice here. I've got a little cold. See the trim on that. There's some little pitting on that. Again, little blemishes in the paint. Nice and flat down the sides. Bumpers and stuff are very nice on the car. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, a little cam to it, so the car hits a lick, man. It's got a good sound to it. Got disc brakes. An original 260 car. It was a factory 2-barrel car. It's got 289 in it now, but it's originally a 262 barrel car. It's got a Holley 4-barrel with a Edelbrock aluminum intake in it, comp cam. Factory exhaust manifolds. Again, they've converted the front disc brakes. It's got a top loader 4-speed. Detailed up nice underneath the hood. See, your original vid is still on the inner quarter like it should be. Well, that stainless around the window is really nice. Again, the car's got pretty paint. Again, you see a little patina there on the A-pillar chrome. Looks like a new mirror, new door handles. There's your trim tag. Bucket seats, console. It's got the Hearst shifter, the wood steering wheel. It's got some aftermarket speakers there on the floor. Factory dash, 8590 on the odometer. Aftermarket radio. It's got an aftermarket tach. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's factory rear end with a 310 posi in it. Spare. There's a jack in the bag. There's also a car cover that goes with it. Nice and solid in the trunk. This is a good car. I love the taillights on these cars. Getting out of rhythm here, sorry man. Happens when you haven't done a video in a few days. Been traveling around trying to buy some cars, and I have bought some cars, guys. We've got some really cool stuff coming. I'll try to get, you know, at least a single photo posted on it so you can see the cars, but I probably got about 10-11 cars that I bought here in the last few days. So some really cool stuff too. A one owner big block SS Camaro 4-speed car. I know Lyra's already took a deposit on one of the Camaros that I bought. A couple Mopars. Good looking car. Dash is nice, steering wheel's nice. Cracks there in the column, or not column, in the console. FJ fired up. Yeah, a little cam too, a little comp cam in it. Nothing too radical, pump gas motor. Fuel gauge works. Tach works. The parking brake does work, guys. Got a good sound to it. Radio works, blower motor, Jay?
Yep.
Blower motor does work, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a killer body style, man. I love the looks of these cars. Have a great day, guys.